Hello, this is Megan Horneman, the Chief Investment Officer for Verdence Capital Advisors, and coming to you today with Markets with Megan, talking about some of the economic data that we received specifically on the consumer. The retail sales report came out for the month of June, and what we saw was that consumer spending was actually much more resilient in June. We saw discretionary spending, so think of things on like furniture, electronics, especially internet shopping. That saw a pretty big jump in the month of June. Again, 1 month is not a trend. We still think the consumer has quite a bit of headwinds ahead of themselves, whether it's the credit card debt that's growing at a double-digit pace, especially with credit card rates at a record high. We have student loan debt that has to start being repaid in the near term. So all of these things, as well as a slowing economy, are going to weigh on the consumer in the second half of this year. Other things that you have to take into consideration with this retail sales report is it's not inflation adjusted. So when we look at real personal spending, which is inflation adjusted, that's been actually flat for 3 of the 5 months that we've seen, that we have data for this year. So not a perfect picture for the consumer. The headline is a good report. It was a decent report, but we don't see that this is sustainable going into the second half of this year. That's all I have today. Any questions, comments, or feedback, please feel free to reach out to podcast@verdence.com.